Hello and welcome to our online spotlight on health and wellness. We're starting with our Tulare Public Library homepage. Keep in mind that if you are logging in from home, it will ask you for your library card number as well as what library you are wanting to have access to. In this case, it's the Tulare Public Library. So we start at our homepage and you want to go to Research and Databases. Click on there. There's two ways to find the database, health and wellness. You can do it by do it yourself and click on the arrow and it's right here, health and wellness. Or you can scroll where it says the complete list of databases and click on it there. Health and wellness, provided by Gail. You'll see right off the bat that there's a search bar here, which you can enter right away what it is you're interested, or sometimes they'll have this section here, topics of interest. It's a little carousel which has different topics that may interest you. As you could tell, coronavirus, it's all in the news, so they have that as a topic of interest there. And then down below, you'll see the Browse Topics boxes here, broken up into diseases and conditions, drugs, diagnosis and tests, therapies, treatments and surgeries, and mental health. Or if you want to browse all these topics together, you'll see Browse all 336 topics. So let's say we're interested in learning more about coronavirus. As I said before, you can either type it in here or you could just click right here, explore this topic. When it comes up, you'll notice here that there's a little synopsis, a little overview of what coronavirus is about. If you want to read more, you can click on the read more, but I want to also point out to you that on this page, it's letting you know here that there's 554 reference articles, there's 4,227 magazine articles, 70,381 news articles, as well as 188 videos and images, etc., about coronavirus. You're more than welcome to click on there, or you can go a little further and you'll see this information is divided up into further preview boxes, so you can see some of the reference items here, or some of the magazine articles here. And if you go even further down, you'll see related topics. So let's say we want to read more about coronavirus. It gets you the authors here, as well as where it's from, the information, the document type and the length, as well as you have your standard translate. You could decrease the font or increase it, or you can listen to it being read to you, as well as you have the options to send to your Google Drive, your Microsoft OneDrive. You can email it to someone or yourself. You can download it or you can print it. So here you have the article. You have all the sidebar information here. And then if you keep on scrolling down, you'll see at the very bottom, the site information. You have the resources and source citations. What's really neat about this is they have different ones. You have your MLL, your APA, your Chicago, and you just click on whichever one you want and it does it for you. Just that easy. If we were to go back to our home page, let's say I'm interested in learning more about MRIs here. I'm gonna have an MRI done recently, or maybe someone I know needs to have an MRI and I wanna know more about it. So we click here, you'll see it has a picture as well as the information here about MRIs, how it works, and the resources if you want further information either from a website or organizations there. You have your standard links once again to translate, decrease, increase, or listen to the article, and also to save this article to your drives or email it or to print it. So that's pretty much the overview. I do want to point out to you that it does have an advanced search feature. So if you're wanting to be more specific, you can set limiters to your searches. For instance, if you only want full text documents or maybe articles in Spanish, you could just select there. You can do it by a certain publication date, by publication title, or a publication subject. I encourage you to look into it, as well as our other free databases, free with the library card. Don't hesitate to call us at 559-685-4500. Have a good day.